once again.
Class 10 Maths CBSE Lesson 7 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 Third Sum. Third sum. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangle shaped school ground ABCD. Here throw graph they are given. We can consider ABCD is a rectangle shape sports day activity they are conducting in this place. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So they draw the lines, the distance for 1 meter distance they draw the line. So the distance between these two lines is 1 meter. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. In the y-axis, they place flower pot 1 meter distance. From A to 1, first flower pot the distance 1, next 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6 going on up to the total distance they are given 100 flower pots. So the last flower pot we can consider 100. So the total distance from the point A, from the point D, the total distance is 100. So AD equal to 100 flower pots they keep. The total distance AD equal to 100 meter. After that what they are given, 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter. The distance between the two flower pot is 1 meter. So the total distance from A to D is 100 meter as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. First person is Niharika. Niharika run in the second line 1/4 of the distance. The total distance she didn't run. From in the total distance 1/4 she ran. Next in the second line and the pot's green flag. So green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD. So the Preet is run 1/5 of the distance AD. The 8th line. So she ran 8th line. What is the distance between both the flag? What is she kept red flag. So the distance between first person to second person you have to find out the distance. You have to find out. The next one, if Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment. Reshmi want to post a blue flag. So another girl is there. That girl want to post blue flag between the line segment. So they are given between, halfway means between. So the between the line segment. So this point we have to consider P of x comma y. Here they are given between. So the ratio is we have to consider 1:1. Joining the two flag, where should she post her flag? So you have to find out the coordinate point P of x comma y. So the first person coordinate point we can find out. So x coordinate point is 2 and the y coordinate point is x coordinate point is 2 and the y coordinate point is here. The y coordinate point we have to find out because how much distance she walked we have to find out. First person also we have to find out. Second person also we have to find out. Now we can see how much she ran. So here in this question they are given Nihari runs 1/4 of the distance AD. So first we have to find out Nihari runs. So distance run by Niharika equal to 1/4 of the distance AD. So 1/4 we can write into the distance AD distance they are given 100 meter. So we can write 100. 1/4 are 4. 25 times So she distance ran 25 kilometer. Next person distance runs by Preet. 1/5 of the distance AD 1 by 5 multiply the distance is 100 meter equal to 2 5s are 10 0, so 20 meter. So through diagram I will explain you first girl position and the second girl position. The first girl position P of x comma y and the second girl position we can consider Q of x comma y. So already we know in the diagram, through diagram we can see in the first girl x coordinate is 2, so 2 comma, and the y coordinate is how much distance she ran. She ran 25 meter, so y coordinate is 25. So the first point is 2 comma 25. So p coordinate is 2 comma 25. The next one is q. Second girl, the second girl coordinate x coordinate point is 8, and the y coordinate how much distance she ran. How much distance she ran? 20 meter. So the y coordinate is 20. So q point is 8 comma 20. And another one girl, she want to put the flag in the middle. So middle they are given, halfway they are given. So midpoint means the ratio we have to consider 1:1. So here we have to find out P of x comma y. For that we have to use section formula. Already you know very well the section formula. The section formula is P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now here the ratio they are given 1 and 1, we can consider m1, another point we can consider m2, this point we can consider x1 comma y1, this coordinate point we can consider x2 comma y2. Here we can use this formula, otherwise we can use the midpoint formula also. Directly we can use midpoint formula P of x comma y. What is the midpoint formula? m1 also 1, m2 also 1. So directly midpoint formula is x2 plus x1 divided by 1 plus 1 2 comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So directly we can use this formula. Instead of x2 we have to write 8 plus instead of x1 we have to write 2 divide by m1 plus m2. So 2. Instead of y2 we can write 20 plus instead of y1 we can write 25. The denominator is 2. So equal to now 8 plus 2 10, 10 divided by 2 comma 20 plus 25 45 divided by 2 equal to 10 you are dividing by 2, we can cancel, so 5 times 45 you divide by 2, you will get 22.5. Therefore P of x comma y equal to P of x comma y equal to 5 comma 22.5. Here I consider P coordinate, here I consider Q, so here I am considering R. So instead of P I am writing R, because don't write R 2 times, P 2 times. So R of x comma y equal to 5 comma 22.5. Another one more also they are asking, they are telling to find out the distance between PQ. Already we learned in exercise 7.1 distance formula. So use the distance formula, we can find the distance of PQ. So we can find out the distance formula you know very well. PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So from the diagram I am writing x1 is 2 and y1 is 25 and x2 is 8 and y2 is 20. So now I am applying this value in this here. Instead of x2 we can write 8 minus, instead of x1 we can write 2 whole square. You can see the diagram. Instead of y2 we can write 20 minus, instead of y1 we can write 25 whole square. Now equal to 8 subtract 2, 6 you are taking square 36 plus 20 subtract 25 minus 5 if you are taking square 25. So both you are adding, you will get root of 61 meter. Therefore the distance PQ equal to root of 61 meter.